gonna say. So let's go back to my big question, because I've never really heard about infinite banking before. I have no idea about critical insurance, critical illness insurance. And when I hear that, I'm like, oh, okay, this is for illness, and I'm a healthy person, and I'm an entrepreneur. I don't need this stuff. So you see, I have already some sort of like either resistance towards it or a block. Yeah. So I've never really educated myself or trained myself in this. And if you want to tell us why we need that, that would be really helpful. Why do we need this level of education and understanding?
Exactly. We need this education. I don't want to jump into conspiracy theories or something like that, but that's the truth. We are not supposed to know about such things, because I think something like 30% of our income lifelong is allocated to tax, and something like another 30% is allocated to interest. It means that just 40% of your income or salary is investing or is spent on your needs. So yeah, we are supposed not to know about that.
And so 30% interest, what is that exactly? Because I understand the tax part.
Yeah, because do you have any mortgage or credit card?
So oh, I see. That's interest,
exactly
of course.
Yeah.
And what we pay the government, that's taxes.
Exactly.
Okay, you definitely mortgage. And just about anything has interest. So,
exactly.
And so these insurance plans and policies are meant to actually kind of recover some of that, at least.
Exactly. Because in Canada you have two ways to get out of tax. The first one is TFSA,
which is
tax saving account. And but the problem is the amount is very low. And the second one is life insurance and its derivatives like critical illness, disability, and everything. And I'm focusing just critical illness now. So infinite banking concept and executive health saving plans, which are technically critical illness plans, are very good maneuvers to get rid of tax.
And these are legal systems.
Yes, absolutely. They are legal, and the rationale behind that is the government, or in Canada Revenue Agency, wants to decrease the pressure on MSP and the healthcare system with these relief systems.
Oh, actually they want
Yes.
to implement these.
Yeah, because the more you use these strategies, the less pressure you would have on the MSP and healthcare system, and
like
you
it's
wouldn't have
Ontario's
any extra expense on the system.
And so, yeah, yet we don't know much about it. There is really no understanding or, again, education in this area.
Yeah, there is a balance. So, yeah.
And so, say if I was convinced to to start an insurance plan as either a business owner or as just a normal, ordinary person. What are the ones that you recommend the most, and that at least I have to learn about it, and then I can say, okay, this is very helpful and beneficial both for my business and myself. What are they? There's one, the critical.
Yeah. It's really hard to say that because it's based on everyone's situation and family needs and financial needs and everything. But to me, the most important thing is critical illness. Because, I'm so selfish and I'm so egoistic. So I'm just thinking of something which makes sense to me. Because critical illness is something related to me. If I get diabetes and get cancer or coronary artery disease, anything, I would be out of my business at least for 2 years. Probably I don't die because of just coronary artery disease, but I would be out of my business at least for 2 years. And I need cash flow to survive and keep my business in force during these 2 years. So I buy critical illness to cover myself and my business if something happens to me. And so critical illness is very important for me regardless of its tax efficiency. And tax efficiency is another story, and that would be very, very interesting to me. And the concept of infinite banking, which is the most mesmerizing concept in the field of life insurance.
Mesmerizing, nice
Yeah.
word. So say you sign up for, like I sign up for critical illness insurance, and I buy one, and then something happens to me, and I own a business, and I'm running my business, and then I get ill, and then I will get tested, right? And they'll say, okay, in your policy, these are the diseases that you purchased a plan for, right? And then if that disease comes up, then I just relax and they pay me?
Yes,
that
exactly.
That's how it works?
Yeah, you can use this money for whatever reason, for in whatever way. You can use it for going, for example, to Spain to find the best doctor, or you can go to a vacation and use that money. That's up to you.
And so this would be like in a lump sum format that comes to me for me to get better and get healed. And when I sign up for a policy, then I'm actually, like, again, identifying specific diseases that I'm signing up for. Is that a part of the policy, or do they look at my body and they say, oh, you're prone to these things? How does that work? Like
both of them. There is technically the underwriting process is upfront, so you fill a questionnaire of your medical history, your family history for such illnesses, and it's like life insurance again. Three scenarios may happen. You may be rejected for a critical illness, you may be approved, or you may be rated. It means that the rate or the premiums would be higher because of your special health issues. And when the underwriting is done, then whenever the claim happens, the underwriting is done and they don't recheck everything again.
And so say I can do that at any age, and I can again claim for specific things. Say if I have asthma and I know that I'm going to live a healthy life, this may still be useful. Would it be? Like, say again, if somebody has no health issues or health problems.
Yeah, I think it's very hard to answer the questions because it's very general. So I think the best way is to apply for the application and go through the underwriting to see what happens. Sometimes I say this case might be rejected, and when I go through the underwriting, I mean the client goes through the underwriting, he is or she is approved. So I think the best thing is to go through the process, and the good thing is the commitment is unilateral, because whenever a policy is in force and you pay the premiums, the insurance company is committed to keep the policy, but you are not in any commitment. You can cancel it whenever you want. Yeah, because technically from legal perspective of views, life insurance policies are unilateral agreements. So the commitment is on the insurance company side, not you.
So you pretty much kind of recommend this for most business owners, and I could sign up at any time, at any age, and regardless of my health. Like if I'm really healthy, it is still beneficial. I can still have it.
Yes, but there is some limitations when it comes to business owners. I mean, they can apply at any age on their personal side, but when it comes to businesses, there is some considerations in this regard, because Canada Revenue Agency wants to be sure that this is not for just for tax purposes, and there should be a rational and reason behind that. So in corporation or business side, some justifications is needed. But in personal side, it's much more flexible.
Much more flexible.
Because the tax issue is not involved.
Right. Okay, so definitely we're going to dig deeper into this. This is quite interesting, and I may even sign up for one.
Yeah, for sure.
Thank you so much,
You're
Reza.
welcome.
Thank you.